following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch now in effect through late Sunday night. The flood watch is now in effect for portions of northern Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren; in Pennsylvania, Berks, Carbon, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, Lower Bucks, Monroe, Northampton, Philadelphia, Upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. Through late Sunday night, a complex and slow-moving storm system will affect the area tonight through early Sunday night. Widespread rainfall of 2 to 3 inches is expected, with a few areas probably receiving close to 4 inches of rain. Heavy rains will fall overnight, but there will be a second round of heavy rain Sunday afternoon. These periods of excessive rainfalls may create areas of poor drainage, flooding in urban areas, and flooding of small creeks and streams. The flooding will continue for several hours after the rains have ended. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding, based on current forecasts. Flood dangers are more difficult to observe at night. Be especially alert when driving, since water crossing the roadways may not be seen until you are already in it. Drive at a slower speed during heavy rains. Do not cross roads where water is flowing across it, since the water may have washed the road away. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.